Hi! Hello, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens, and this is where you come to get your brain food, baby. If this is your first time watching my video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, my friend. But what are the top five online business ideas for you, okay? Especially for beginners. You just know that you've been hearing people talk about people making lots of money online and working from home, and you know, is it too good to be true? Is it real? Yes, it's real, it's true, it's happening, okay? So you might as well be a part of it, okay? And so really where it's gonna start, so this is all gonna start from this one question. Why do you want to start a business online anyways, okay? Why do you want to start a business in general? Because you got to shift your mindset, okay? If you're serious about this, if you are working hard for somebody right now and you just are not getting paid what you're worth, that's probably why you're here right now. You're a hard worker, you're a go-getter, you're an overachiever, you're goal-driven, okay? And you make things happen, you solve problems, okay? You're a problem solver. Okay, and that is, you just realize that you're worth more than what you're getting right now, okay? If that's you, let me know. Let me know below, like, hey, that's me, bro. I've always been, you know, I'd love to hear your story. Like, we all got our own story, all got our own background. If you guys don't know mine yet, you will. Okay, especially after you kind of watch more of my videos and we get more acquainted with each other, I'm sure that you will get to hear more of my story. But I'd love to know your story. Where are you coming from? What kind of things are you're struggling with? Why do you want to start your online business? Is going to be the number one thing that we have to, and I'm serious, we have to get this written down on a piece of paper, because when we write, our mind cannot, it doesn't go different directions. It has to think on a singular thought. That's why writing is so powerful, okay? Why is it important to know why it is you're trying to start an online business? Because things are going to happen. Life is going to get in your way. You're going to get sick. Spouse may leave you. Spouse may cheat. Work may cut you off. You may have to get new tires on your car or truck. Baby's sick. Baby's getting in trouble at school. Kids, life. Life happens to all of us, and that's why we need to know why it is we're doing it, so we can make it a priority. I have a full-time gig on the side of this. As I'm making this video, YouTube will be my full-time gig in the near future, okay? If you're watching this, you're gonna see me grow. You're gonna see me develop. You're gonna watch these skills kind of unfold and unravel as I continue on my business journey, okay? And you're gonna go on your own. You're gonna start in your own path, just like learning to walk, okay? We all learn to walk the same exact way, and if we didn't, there'd be a lot of people still crawling around today. So remember that, especially if you're a beginner, you're an infant. Don't compare yourself to other people that have an online business either ways, because they are already like running a mile and you're just getting into first grade. Okay, so you have to understand that there's a difference there, and just take from where you are and build it. But understand why you are building your online business, okay? Is it to be able to provide more for your kids? Is it, like for me, my why is so I can give my kids and grandkids something to, help them with life and cut a path. Okay, I'm thinking 2 generations or more, okay, because when you build an online business, the great thing about that is once it's online, you can never take it off, okay? It's going to be out there for infinity and beyond, okay? So my grandkids will be able to see this video and also learn something as well, okay? So I'm building something for the future. I'm not just doing it once and then have to go back and do it again. Okay, that's a lot of what our jobs are like today. Okay, this one is big. I know I've been going on it for a while, but why do you want to start your online business? These are questions that you can ask yourself right now and make a decision. And the decision means death to all other options. Decide. Okay, not I'm going to try this. Not that would be nice. Oh, I really want to start a business. I really want to go work out, but I haven't decided to go work out. I haven't decided to go build a business, okay? And there's a difference between that. So decide that it's something you're gonna do and commit to it, okay, on a continual and regular basis. So you're not gonna see any results, okay? And a lot of this I preach to the choir because, you know, I got a full-time gig working 6 to 7 days a week, 12-hour days, okay? Training, developing sales, building a business, traditional way still as well, okay? So, number one, why do you want to build a number business? Okay, number two, what are you good at? Okay, why is this important? Because they call this the 10,000 rule, okay? Because first of all, we need to know why we're building the business. Second of all, we need to know what the business is going to be, right? What am I going to sell? How am I going to sell it? I'm just so confused on how, you know, the whole online internet game works. And if you're still confused on all that stuff, you know, keep watching my videos. I'm going to get more and more in depth with these things. But you can also just go and get this book. Down below. It's free, pay for shipping, but it's going to teach you all the ins and outs, okay? And you can develop and learn more and just learn on the side. Very inexpensive, but the reason why it's important to know what we're good at is because that's what we can create our business about. Okay, like I'm great at sales. That was a skill that I decided to master, you know, 4 or 5 years ago. And I decided to hone in on that and get super phenomenal at it and also be able to teach other people to do that. So I can create courses and online courses to sell to people on how to do more sales. Okay, especially in their direct sales because it's face-to-face. So now you may be a mechanic, you may be a nurse, you may be, you know, a gardener, you may be a stay-at-home mom that, you know, how to do like trinkets and, you know, you may, you know, there's lots of things. You know what it is. What are you good at? And if you're like, I'm not good at anything, then you're never gonna, you know, you're not gonna be successful. You got to be good at something, and you've spent 10,000 hours at something. Okay, because if you're alive this long, where do those 10,000 hours go? It went somewhere. Okay, and figure out a way to. People are making money by watching videos on YouTube. Like if you just sit and watch videos all day, you can literally create a channel of you just watching videos all day. That's how simple this is. Just need to be good at something, and that's what we can start and create your business around. Okay, that's tip number 2. Now number 3, learn how to create sales funnels. Okay, so now that you can create content, you know why you're creating content. Okay, and content is creation, so making videos, blogs, posts, Instagrams, all those great things. But if you don't have a sales funnel underneath it, you're not going to generate any money. Okay, Colton, what is a sales funnel? Okay, a sales funnel is a way, the definition is for either people can click to buy or they get off the page. That's a sales funnel. So when you go to it, the only way through it is to buy something. Okay, it's kind of like a website, but websites don't make money. The definition of a website is there's more than one button, there's more than one option to do. In a sales funnel, you either buy or you exit. There's only one thing to do on the page. A website, if I have 2 things to do on a website, it is on a page, it is now a website. Okay, and a lot of people are losing money because they have websites. They have hundreds and hundreds of different ways to click and learn more and learn more, but they never have a buy button. So it's important to create funnels. There's actually an awesome challenge by one of the best, the guy who created a sales funnel. It's called the OFA challenge. I have an ofa.getyourbrainfood.com where they actually take you through a 30-day training course, okay, where they take you step by step, by the hand, and if you do and apply everything that they say on there, at the end of it, you'll have a sales funnel that you can earn money in. Okay, and you can actually build those and make a skill for that, and then you get good at learning that, and then now people will hire you as a freelancer to go and build their sales funnel. Because if you don't know what a sales funnel is, then there's other people out there that don't know what it is either. And when I was getting into this game, especially as a beginner, you know, people started saying all this lingo: generating leads, landing pages, sales funnel, value ladder, high ticket sales, all these things. I didn't know what they meant, so as soon as I learned what they were, I made a video about what they were because I realized that there's other people that don't know them. Okay, so it's super simple concept, and that's how you kind of do it and weave in and out. Okay, so number 4, okay, best business idea, especially if you're a beginner, become an affiliate for a company. Now there's lots of companies you can become an affiliate of. You know, you got like Max Bounty, Ty Lopez, you got Dave Sharp, my favorite one, okay, highly recommend. I do that 15-day challenge almost every single one of videos because, you know, ClickFunnels, you know, building those funnels, that OFA challenge you can be an affiliate for, okay? Now what is affiliate, Colton, since we're all kind of brand new? An affiliate is I promote other people's products online and they give me a commission when someone buys that product using my link. Okay, so you're basically a salesperson online. Okay, so you can earn commissions through doing videos, kind of just like this, creating content and driving people to things that help them. Okay, and the best thing about being an affiliate, everybody's trying to build an online business. Oh, I got an idea that will change the world, but I've never made a single dollar online. I've never even done sales before. Okay, you're starting with a big dream. Okay, which is good. It's not bad to have big dreams, but we need small steps. We need small achievements along that way to accomplish the big dream. If we're chopping down a big tree, okay, we're gonna do it one swing at a time. But if you just have your axe and you look at the tree and you're like, I'm gonna cut that down one day, and never start swinging, you will never cut the tree down. The tree is actually gonna get bigger by the time. Okay, so it's important to start and just swinging it one chip at a time. One chip at a time, start swinging it, okay? But becoming an affiliate marketer is great because all I gotta do is promote and earn the commission and I'm done. I'm done. I don't have to fill the order. I don't have to do the customer service. I don't have to talk with clients. I don't have to do any of that. All I have to do is tell people that it exists. I'm sure you've done this, just like, have you ever told somebody about a movie? Have you ever told somebody about a restaurant? Okay, did that movie or restaurant pay you for them to go? Of course not. But in affiliate marketing, they pay you to do that exact same thing. Okay, so become an affiliate. Honestly, I would highly suggest becoming an affiliate with some of the ones that I have. First of all, I'll earn a commission and you get to work with me. But they're also, from my experience having done this for, you know, a few years now, they are the best in commissions payouts. So they pay the best commission because there's some affiliate programs where you get out there and you start promoting it, but they earn like $2, $5, $6. And it's funny because it takes about the same process for someone to buy a $200 item as it does for them to buy a $2,000 item. And you want high ticket sales because just like in an airplane, okay, 20% of the airplane is in first class and then there's 80%, right? But the 20% pay just as much as the 80% together because it's high ticket. So you're paying double the price, but this 20% pays just as much as the entire 80% at low. So that's why high tickets are important because I would rather have 20% of people that want to do it for real and have this high volume than having 100 of low tickets. Okay? So you can have both. Both is best. That's why airlines have both. Okay? But it's important to have those high ticket items, and both of those do. Okay, and fifth and final tip, always keep learning because when you're green, you grow. When you're ripe, you rot. Okay, continuous learning about becoming an online marketer, building a business online. Always learn more about this because if you stop learning, okay, you stop growing, and no one wants to be rotten. Okay, and if you think you know it all, you know nothing. So the people that know the most are the most curious to learn more, okay? And that's the only way we can keep our glass filled because just like trying to fill up a Ferrari that has an empty tank, okay? Can you drive anywhere on a Ferrari with an empty tank? No, and you can't give to other people if you're not giving to yourself. You got to give yourself some brain food because just like you got to bathe and just like you got to eat, okay, you got to get your brain food every day. Make sure you go to the OFA.getyourbrainfood.com. Okay, you're going to get that 30-day challenge on how to build sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? How to earn commissions online. Super, super important because you can start earning money super, super fast. A lot of these companies pay daily, pay every 2 weeks. You can learn and develop more into those, okay? So I should highly, highly suggest You do that. I got affiliate marketers for beginners down there below. And also you got that 15-day challenge course that I have put together for you with Dave Sharp at coltonhavens.com/welcome. Okay, everything here you do have to buy in order to get it, and I do that for a reason, because the right people will pay an investment to learn into themselves. The other people just want to get like consume. Okay, I'm looking for the people that put their money where their mouth is, okay, because they're serious about this. Think about this. Most people are willing to go to college to spend over $50,000 to $100,000 in debt to maybe have a job to pay it back, okay? And if you apply and you're an action taker, you're a go-getter, and you're the star player, okay, you're gonna make money, my friend. Just take action. Listen, I love y'all. Peace. Let me know what kind of video you guys want next down there below so I can make these specifically for y'all. Listen, love y'all. Peace.